Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today, yes, we got to talk about it. Rollable smartphones are going to hit the market in 2021. I am very excited about it. I am still excited about seeing the Galaxy Note 21, but rollable smartphones, yes, we got to talk about pricing, right? We're going to talk about that later on down the line, because if I'm paying $1,400 for the Galaxy Note 20, then maybe I can go ahead and hustle up $700 more to get a rollable display smartphone. Hopefully it's not over $2,000 and they make this affordable. But you got a few companies that's coming out with rollable smartphones. You got Oppo, you got LG, and you also got TCL. Let's talk about TCL. TCL is coming out with three products, right? One that's way out there is what they call a rollable display, right? It opens up like a scroll. Now, I don't know what I can use this for, right? But I'm quite sure that I'm not going to be able to afford it. So hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know how much you think that this rollable display is going to cost. I think it's going to cost anywhere between $4,000 and $5,000 out the door. But let's talk about the two products that they came out with that we're going to be able to afford. Now, one of the rollable smartphones is in a smaller form factor, right? And a different form factor as well. It's squared off, but when you open it up, it opens up from a 6.7-inch display to a 7.8-inch display, which looks awesome. And when you condense this back down to its normal form factor, it makes it real nice and compact to put in your purse and in your pocket. I thought it was unique. I thought it looked awesome, but that one isn't more so for me. Their second product that they came out with, so far as a rollable smartphone is concerned, is what they call their waterfall display. Now, I did not get the specs on that one, but it looks like it's in your normal form factor so far as the smartphone is concerned, and it opens up from the right. It's also motorized as well, which looks absolutely gorgeous. I really like how they took the display and they went a little bit further than what you see from Samsung devices. And I love the edge display. Flat panels are the thing of the past for me. So I'm looking forward to seeing TCL bring this to the market. I think it's going to look absolutely awesome. Now, if it's at $2,000, right, or even $2,100, this one could be bought. Now, first we have to take a look at the UI, because there's a lot of companies out here that have this cartoonish UI. Or maybe I'm just used to Samsung's UI. But if the UI is one that I can get with, then this might be a smartphone that I buy in 2021 if it's released. Now, let's talk about LG. LG is also coming out with one, right? And I'm like, listen, LG is not a punk when it comes to rollable displays. If you take a look at the TVs that they came out with that I can't afford yet, which we're working on it, that I would love to see in my living room, they're giving Samsung a run for their money in a different type of way, but they're not a stranger to rollable displays, right? Now they're coming out with a smartphone, just one, and it opens up from the right as well. But what I like about it is that you scroll or slide your finger across the edge of the smartphone on the right hand side and it automatically opens up. I thought it looked absolutely gorgeous. Now LG is the only one that we know thus far that's coming out with a rollable smartphone in the year of 2021. Now it's said or rumored that we should see this in the month of May. So I'm going to be looking for this one. I am going to go check it out. I will be saving my money for this one if the UI is nice. It's all about the UI experience for me, because I'm so used to Samsung. I think Samsung has the greatest UI out there, right? But let's talk about the specs of LG smartphone. Now, LG's rollable smartphone operating system is going to be running Android 10.0. Now, all of this are rumors, so take this with a grain of salt. It's saying that the display size is going to be a 6.8 to possibly an 8-inch or a 9-inch display. Now, it should be running, hopefully it should be running Snapdragon 888, right? 8 gigabytes of RAM. I wish it was 12. And the storage said to be 128 to 256 gigabytes, and it's going to have a triple camera system. Now, I'm liking this one. I'm loving the look that I see from LG, and considering that LG is going to be the first, then I need to do a comparison between the Galaxy Note 21 Ultra and this rollable smartphone that's coming out from LG. And everything is all about pricing and features. So I'm looking forward to this. So look forward to the next video for when we get closer to the release date of LG's rollable smartphone. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Smash that notification bell so you can get notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And whatever you do, do not, I repeat, do not forget to subscribe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Enjoy life. Have some fun, you all. And remember to be safe.